Okay, so you can, and another, obviously you might be knowing about it. If I want to make this triangle, come to polygonal tool, click here, you can enter 3 over here. So once you enter 3, you simply have the option of, 1 second, okay, so you have this. And let's say I want to make is a pyramid. So again, in fact, let me do from the scratch. So new, okay, I'll open the view, perspective, and what I'll do is I'll make is, oh, sorry, I didn't select the option, the bottom one, and here you go, right? So that's all what I need. So I'll make it this color. I'll turn off the right. So now I'll make is using the polygon tool. I'll enter 3, and this is what I have. So what I wanted to discuss over here was that what I could do over here is, let's say I could increase the size of this. Okay, I could say Control C, Control V, 1, 2, 3, Control V, another one. So what we could do over here now is, sorry, my laptop's getting a bit stuck. So I could place it here, and using our direct selection tool, I could click on this, and here we go, and we could probably bring it here. Then I could place this here, and probably we could join this, and right, and the last one, sorry, this is supposed to be here. I'm not doing it very perfect. I can zoom in and I can obviously rectify it. You can see over here it's not perfect, so obviously what I could do is I could just click here, and I could drag these so that there's 1 point. Okay, so this is what I have. So this is how we could use it another way. Okay, so I mean, obviously, if I would have opened the grid, the rulers, or probably show grid, I would have been able to define is, so if I, let's say, group it, and now if I now, this would take time obviously, but what I'm trying to say is I should have set up this point first, so it's exactly perfectly done, right? So that's how we can make a pyramid. So that's all for it. If there are any questions, please do let me know.